Today on Crypto Lion, we'll be looking at how Dogecoin is set to explode in the next 3 days. If you haven't already, consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on post notifications. We'll be right back after this.
GSX is an unprecedented financial asset that combines the best elements of a traditional investment with the backing of a stablecoin and the use cases of many of the largest decentralized currencies like XRP.
Everyone wants to experience growth. In the absence of growth, a steady decline sets in. The growth and ascension of Dogecoin has been quite interesting for some time now. Earlier this year, people were impressed by the currency's growth and were quick to put their investments in it. The excitement might have fizzled out for a bit, and it's left many still wondering about the future. Is Dogecoin going up? What will make it go up? Is it a good investment? These are the questions in the hearts of Dogecoin supporters. Is Dogecoin actually a good investment? If you've been reading basic primers, you're probably better off sticking with your ETF until you learn the ropes. Investing in crypto is not like buying shares of Walmart or UPS. First, it's incredibly volatile. Wild price swings that would make the common investor queasy are par for the course. Adequate care must be taken, but you can't be too careful too, especially because of the same unpredictable price swings. It's sort of like a paradox, but nonetheless, it is reality. The way that cryptocurrency is generated, distributed, validated, and accounted for is completely foreign even to most tech-savvy investors. It's not backed by any bank, government, or corporation. And despite the fact that it feels like everyone's talking about it, crypto is still a highly experimental niche concept that the vast majority of people know almost nothing about and are nowhere near adopting. There's a steep learning curve to investing in cryptocurrency. It requires immersion, but Dogecoin offers the easiest way to learn about cryptocurrencies, given how fun the idea of its meme origin is and how easy it is to trade and win with it. If you're just hearing about Dogecoin, you're not too late to the party. You can take the time to watch some of our Dogecoin videos and learn about the history of Dogecoin. At the start of 2021, Dogecoin's price was less than a cent, but as of the day of recording this, the coin is still maintaining the growth of about 5,000% in 2021. It's indeed imperative to marvel at the growth of Dogecoin. A coin introduced as a mimic has become so significant in the crypto world. It's also being used by retailers to receive payments anywhere in the world. There happens to be an upsurge since its inception. That doesn't mean that Dogecoin has never gone through the storming seasons. It has indeed. In May, when the crypto market faced a setback, Dogecoin was part of those coins also affected. Dogecoin has fallen along with other cryptocurrencies amid China's crackdown on the market. After the crash, investors are wondering if Dogecoin will explode again, and if it could reach $10. And they're doing everything possible to see to it that they boost Dogecoin. Their efforts have been somewhat more focused, especially with the restoration of the Doge Foundation. Looking at the present trend, one can see that Dogecoin has stayed beneath the peak it achieved after seeing tremendous returns in the first 4 months of the year. What seems fascinating to note, though, is that even after the recent crash, its year-to-date return is still an eye-popping 5,300%. Taking a step back to observe the Dogecoin price action, one can deduce that on June 28th, Dogecoin was trading closer to 26 cents. The altcoin has fallen 30% in the last 2 months and 63% from its May 7th peak. Dogecoin's all-time high still stands at 73 cents, a level which it achieved on the 8th of May 2021. Dogecoin actually hit a high of 68 cents right before superfan Elon Musk's SNL appearance in May. Dogecoin supporters expected that the appearance of the billionaire, who over the year 2021 has been termed the godfather of Dogecoin, will boost its price. But after Musk called it a hustle that night, Dogecoin went on a downtrend. The downtrend would last quite long, spanning over 4 months. It touched a lower low of about 17 cents on June 21st, then recovered by 44%. It has since traded within the 20 to 30 cents price range in a lengthy period of consolidation, at least within that price range. The impact of Elon Musk showed us just how much sway he has on Dogecoin. We've seen both an uptrend and downtrend with Dogecoin's price due to the influence of Elon Musk. Dogecoin supporters have been trying all within their power to push the coin to more than $1 before the year ends with tweets and hashtags such as Dogecoin to $1. They've also pushed for Amazon to adopt Dogecoin as a payment option. Later, they would also push for Dogecoin to be accepted by AMC as a payment option. In the long term, with this massive campaign, Doge could actually rise somewhat, but its limited utility may limit its upside. Dogecoin is actually doing its best to beat the odds using the adoption game. Luck might smile on it one day. Dogecoin remains in a coveted position, and both Doge enthusiasts as well as its critics won't stop asking the question whether Dogecoin will explode again. An asset's chances of recovering after a crash are high if its fundamentals and outlook support future growth. At first, with Dogecoin, this didn't seem to be the case. It initially rose due to celebrity endorsements, and celebrities can be fickle. Also, Dogecoin's real-world utility seems limited. While the Doge army could successfully campaign to boost its price, any increase was thought that it would be short-lived. But the fundamentals have actually improved in stamina, with the last upgrade of the Dogecoin network made available to the miners. The increased use of the upgrade, as well as the improved transaction speed that came with the update, sure raised the bar for Dogecoin. It meant that all the businesses that have already had their transactions in and out of their cumulative Doge holdings, this will attract more businesses to start using Doge-enabled transaction mediums. It might take a while, but Dogecoin finding its feet in mainstream adoption could lead to a huge explosion in its price. The short and long-term targets of the Doge explosion are set to about $1 and $10. To get to the $1 level, it would need to grow about 400% to test that level. A foray towards $10 would require a growth of at least 4,000%, which is 40 times its current price level. The surge to that level is unimaginable, and it may not seem like much to some. As of the 12th of October, Dogecoin's price analysis indicates bearish momentum will follow after a break below the 23-cent support was seen overnight. Therefore, we expect Doge USD to continue lower and test the 21.5 cents next support as we go on. It may make a quick recovery subsequently, but that depends on the general outlook of the entire market. The cryptocurrency market traded mostly with bearish momentum over the last 24 hours. Bitcoin was among the best performers with a gain of 1.3%, while Ethereum lost 2.74%, and the rest of the top altcoins followed with a loss of around 4 to 6%. Dogecoin price action has seen a reversal over the past trading sessions. After a strong beginning to October, during which Dogecoin rallied from 19 to 27 cents, a reversal followed. It experienced a consolidation at about 25 cents on the 6th of October. More downside followed over the following days. After several retests of 25 cents as the overhead resistance later in the week, Doge started heading lower. The 23 cents mark provided some support initially. However, after some reaction higher, Dogecoin's price pushed lower again, leading to a break below 23 cents support overnight. Since then, Doge USD has continued lower, indicating that we will see the next support at 22 cents tested soon. On the 24-hour chart, Dogecoin can be seen declining in terms of price, but stays positive given technical indicators. Price fell more than 3% on the day, with trading volume dropping 28%. However, the price still remains above the 20-day exponential moving average, suggesting that a significant turnover hasn't taken place since the price decline started the day before. The Relative Strength Index also shows a strong value of 52, indicating a valued status of the token. We can conclude that no particular endgame is visible for Dogecoin, no matter the angle. We're still holding out for some surprising price action for Dogecoin, which will see it transcend all expectations. The best action would be to buy and wait for Dogecoin to enact a favorable price action when it's ready for the highly anticipated upsurge. Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on bell notifications. We also have a free Discord group where we share daily signals, and now you can also support us on Patreon. We have a special offer for our first 100 members, only $9.99 for our VIP Discord channels, where we share much more in-depth analysis and even one-on-one sessions. And make sure you check out the GSX competition for your chance to win big. Links are below, and if you have any questions, drop us a comment. And as always, good luck and happy investing.